There's an app for that. But where does it come from? Never ever install apps on your computer, phone or tablet from untrusted sources. If a website looks like this, navigate away immediately. Make sure you have this turned off your Android phone or tablet. And never tap install on apps any suspicious on your iPhone, iPad. Rule of thumb, always use official websites and official app stores to download and install apps. Fake apps can pack malware, adware and other types of infections you do not want on your PC, tablet, phone. Make your browsing more secure in 1 minute. Install HTTPS Everywhere for Chrome, Firefox, Android, Opera. This free extension will encrypt your communication with many major websites, thus increasing your browsing security. The data you send and receive from the websites will be encrypted, so cybercriminals won't be able to snoop on the information transfer and steal your data, credit card information, email address, passwords, etc. Don't forget to subscribe at Daily Security Tip.